Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've got a decade there. I'm a national expert. Go to my website at 777irs.com. I've been on TV a bunch of times, and you can go ahead and see my interviews there. Anyway, I want to tell you, IRS is sending millions of IRS final notices out. IRS notice of intent to levy. It's a CP504. It comes certified, and that's the new big thing. That's the hot button topic. If you are in this position, IRS is going to follow up on what they're going to do. You have to know that. They're all computer generated, so no one's looking over your account right now. I just want you to know they're not looking over that account saying, gee, where are they, what's going on? It's simply on the computer. But if you don't follow up on this letter, call IRS, bad things are going to happen. IRS is going to go ahead. If you don't get your case off the collection system, they are going to either garnish your bank account, your wages, and or file a federal tax lien, and they may actually take your passport if you're over 62,000. I really want to put you in scare mode for this one. A lot of times you don't need to be. This is a letter. It's a threatening letter that IRS is going to follow up on. They must, because it's in the computer. It's systemic. They're just going to keep sending notices and levies. So what do you have to do? You got to stop the process by calling IRS. Yeah, you got to call that number, but just don't call them unless you know what you're doing. And I mean that seriously. This isn't like a big sales pitch. I'm telling you this. I used to work I've worked thousands of IRS cases. If you don't owe a lot of money and you don't have a lot of assets, you don't have a lot of income, call IRS yourself. There's nothing wrong with doing that. I encourage you to do that today. If you owe a sizable debt and you owe especially over 62,000 for the passport range, yeah, you should call a professional, because when IRS gets you on the phone, they're going to want a financial statement. Most people wind up with big payment agreements they can't keep because they're not aware of the IRS National Standards Program. If you need me, call me. I am one of the nation's best. I say that truly. I have a team that's just built for IRS resolutions. We always give you the honest truth. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription if you would. Please act on the 504. It's absolutely critical you do that. Once again, thanks for the subscription.